you have to go through File, New, then select Java project. When you select Java project, just give the name here. As of now, I'll give ABC. I'll go to next. Second point is uncheck this, create module info.java. Please uncheck this. After unchecking this, click on finish. I'll not do it again because I have my first project created here. So now the second step is when you have the source folder, sorry. Inside this source folder, you have to create the class. So how do we create the class here? Just right click this source folder, go to new and select class from here. I'll repeat, right click the source folder, new, source means SRC. Right click the SRC folder, new, and then click on class. Here in our class, what we do, I'll write the same name, class example. This is the name of my class. Again, what this is mentioning is the use of the default package is discouraged. You can see yellow here. That means this is just a warning. This is not an error. So if you can see the package, we have given nothing in the name of package. Only default is considered if you are writing nothing. So as of now, just write the package name. I'll tell you what a package is when we talk about encapsulation in detail. So as of now, I will write the package name as com.workshop.session2 or only com.workshop. I'll keep it as it is. So whatever name you want to give it to package, you can give it here. The name of my package is com.workshop and the name of my class is class example. So now one more advantage of using IDE is it is very easy to use and it helps you with many of the things. Like for example, it is already asking us which method stubs would you like to create. If I check in on this public static void main, this will be created. So you can check this. Or do you want to add comments? I will click on generate comments also. And when this is done, I will click on finish. As soon as I click on finish, a class example.java file is created here. And this will be opened here itself. So now if you can see in this is the package name. So first 3 lines are the comments. I have mentioned to generate comments. That's why it has created comments. But I will delete those comments which are not required. So this is my package name com.workshop, which I've already given while creating a new class. Second is author. Lenovo is the username of my system. That's why the username of your system will come here. I can change it to my name. That's okay. Then public class and the class example, which is the class that we have created now. And there are some arguments if you want to. You can delete it if you don't want these examples. Again, as we have already mentioned that please create a empty void main class for us. So this is already created. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy paste the code. To save time, I'll copy paste this code there. And then I will copy this code also, but I'll just show you some of the features of Eclipse. So for example, this employee class is declared in the top, which consists of a name and an employee ID and a method, which is display. And we are displaying it using system.out.println. The name of the employee is this. Okay. One more thing is one more shortcut if you want to learn in Eclipse. If you don't want to write this lengthy system.out.println, just write sysout. And when you write sysout, press Ctrl and space. And when you press this, system.out.println will directly come. So this is just one of the shortcut. This will help you write the code very fast, Eclipse. That's why we are using this. Once again, I'll let you know what is this. SYSOUT and press Ctrl and space. So this will be completely written here. The next time when you see me writing sysout and control this, don't get shocked like how it is coming directly. So this is just one of the shortcuts. Now what we will try to do here is I'll create the object of that particular code. For that, I'll write the class name, object name equal to new class name. This is the comment syntax for creating an object. So I'll write employee. Now one more thing. If you don't want to write complete thing, I am writing EMPL for example. I'll press Control and space. When I press Control and space, it will give me options. What are the different options? Now you can see it is giving me employee class name is there in com.workshop. So when I select this, that is coming directly from there. So employee EMP object equal to new employee. This is how I am creating the object of the employee class. Now I just want to call the object. So creating an object. Calling method using object. So the syntax for this is object name dot method name. So how we will call the object emp obj, the method emp obj dot. Now when you click dot, it will give you options what all are there inside employee class. So the first three, if you see, it will show you there are two variables and the variables are displayed using this triangle. So emp id is the variable, name is the variable, and display is the function. It is shown using this green dot. So we will call this display function. Now what happens in our normal code is we compile the code, then we run the code. But here no need to do such things. Just right click the code. Right click the class name, click on run as, and then select Java application. I'll tell you again. Class name is this .java. Right click the .java file, class name. Go to run as, select Java application. And when you run this, you can see the output. The name of the employee is Pratyush and the employee ID of the employee is 123, which is what we have already declared there.